si Claudine Sanchez. I'm 15 years old, an adult from Caloocan City. At bago ko po lisali ng 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, ay mag-iiwan ako ng isang kataga na tingin man sa akin ng iba ay walang ibubuga. Puwes, ayan ang mali nila, na kung saan mapapahiya sila kapag ako na ang tumutulong sa aking pamilya. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number. Beauty, transformation is also known as LGBT. Philippines 7,100 majestic island, but very famous island is Boracay. Boracay is very beautiful fish, land, places, and dolphins. If diamond are polished by Fuchin, what does it mean? Are respected, will be respected by trial. My name is Len Quianes, but this is a pageant. Please call around me. Miss Andrea Brillantes. Andrea Brillantes, nag-iwan ang kasabihan, kailanman po, hindi naging masama ang pagiging bakla. Sa mata ng tao, lalong-lalo na sa mata ng Diyos, kung hindi po kami gagawa ng sarili namin ikasasama. Hindi po natin matakasan ng panahon na inyong baklang nilalait sa kinamagahan, kinukutsa sa tanghalian, ngayong gabi, inyong pinapalakpakan at iniiyawan. Kung talino, utak at talento po ang pinag-uusapan, tara na, ba't di pa natin upisahan ang laban? That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2.
So many people, so many smiles, as I was saying, mabuhay. It is always an honor for me to stand for people of the same kind, yet very much different when it comes to their ages, gender, and origin. A glorious evening to each and everyone. Maybe you're wondering why I'm here tonight. It's simply because I want to break the big chain of gender oppression and highly proclaim my sexuality as a homosexual in this very challenging yet cruel world of ours. Good evening, kamusta po kayo? My name is Serafin Bermudez. I'm a 25-year-old dishonor all the way from Santa Ana, Manila. A proud cum laude who took a Bachelor in Political Science, major in Public Administration at the famous School of Scholars, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. But tonight, please allow me to carry the image, ang babaeng nagtanggal ng sumpa sa Philippine pageantry. Tama po kayo, ako po ang babaeng nagpasikat at sumikat sa katagang Major. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan ang nag-iisang 4th runner-up 2010 Miss Universe, Maria Venus Ra, na nag-iiwan po ng mga katagang mahirap magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Mahirap din pong magpakalalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Ngunit, ang pinakamahirap sa lahat ay ang magpakatao kung kami mga bakla ay hindi nyo tuturing bilang isang tao. Once again, I'm Serafin Bermudez saying, be cool and just relax because I will make your evening absolutely fabulous. Thank you.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Venus Ra, candidate. Morning.
I don't mind traveling 3 hours just to see the beautiful people of Caloocan. Kaya naman, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang masigabong sigawan dyan? Maraming pong salamat. Beauty is not always about having a pretty face. It's all about having having a pretty heart, and having a pretty soul. Standing before you is a 24 years old stunner, all the way from Guevara, La Paz, Tarlac, a graduate of Tourism Hotel and Restaurant Operations in Subic Colleges Incorporated, cum laude. Totoo po yun. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. This is Billy Labitan Yadaw in real life, the first representative of province of Tarlac on It's Showtime's Miss Q&A, and a lucky girl who was able to cross over from ABS-CBN going to GMA, as I was able to represent the province of Tarlac to one of the most prestigious competitions in the national television, which is in Super Serena in Bulaga. And ladies and gentlemen, I am also the recent viral transgender who have earned more than 10 million views because of disagreeing to a transgender joining a Miss Universe competition. Yes, that is me. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, since this is going to be a battle of screen name, allow me to carry the image of the young, the fresh, ang babaeng minsan yung minahal bilang si Pinang, ang babaeng minsan yung minahal dahil sa kanyang tatlong bibe. Yes, ang inyong nene. Ba't di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at sigawan si Miss Erich Gonzalez. Miss Erich Gonzalez na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang, aanhin ko ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko matitikman ang inyong kapitan.
Ayan, lagot ka! Hap! Ano?
Hap! Ba't na naman? Joke lamang po, and I hope you guys will enjoy the show, and I'll see you all again later. Thank you.
Ako si Amor Am.
Thank you so much, Catering Number 4.
Ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old this summer. My name is Miss Karen Montecillo, who proudly to say that I am your It's Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibex, first runner-up, and I am truly all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy,
at minsan si baby sa pira-pirasong paraiso. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Loisa Andalio? And I always believe si Bis Amar Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 5. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5, Miss Lay. Sasagot niya ay sa ABC. Ang nag-isang tunay na kawangis ni Loisa Andalio.
Ate kaya mukha ni Tina eh.
Nakiksabihin lang. Atauso.
Ano ba yan? Ang tagal bumalik ng power ng anak ng manok.
Okay, naku po kayo.
Cardiac ka. Leaking yung score, madam ha. Hep, hep! Hooray! Saan ka punta? Road trip? Skirt, skirt? Sa base? Auto-auto? Joke lamang po. Mga kaibigan, ano niyo pa po? Ang sinabawang gulay, kung sa akin pa lamang, buhay yun ay makulay. At ano niyo pa po ang bomba? Harap na! Uy! Kung sa akin pa lamang, boom! Sabog ka na. Ito ba? Maya, mayupaya, at magrasyang bengi po kaya kayuman. Or should I say, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. Is standing before you tonight is a fresh and indeed innocent 25-year-old sinner who hails all the way from the melting pot capital of Central Luzon, mula pa po sa bayan at sa lalawigan ng Tarlac. I am Miss Ivern Doroteo, and I'm a graduate with a degree of Arts in Communications at the Tarlac State University. At ako po ang napanood ninyo sa Grand Finals ng ABS-CBN's It's Showtimes, Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibex. Ako rin po ang sinubaybayan nyo dati sa longest running noontime show here in the Philippines, Year 8 Bulaga, Super Serena, Muse of the Water. Ngunit ngayong gabi ho, hayaan niyo pong iramin ko ang pagkatao at ang pagkababae ng babaeng bumihag sa puso ng bawat TikTokerist. Ako po ang babaeng lagi ninyong sinusubaybayan sa TikTok. Ako po ang babaeng nagsabi ng hello mga mare, shot, puno. Ako po ang babaeng naglabas ng green na pitchel. Opo, tama po kayo. Ba't hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan your most trending, Miss Jean dito? Mamaya! Relax ka lang. Jean Bilugho na nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang katanungan. Na bakit kapag bumabagyo, bakla ang sinisisi ninyo? Na bakit kapag may dilubyo o may sakuna, bakla ang sinisisi ninyo? Na bakit kapag bakla, malas? Bakit kapag bakla, salot sa lipunan?
aral. Pwede po bang susunod? Tumbay naman ang pagtripan ninyo. And thank you. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6, Miss Ivor Torate.
Again and again, wala po bang masigabong palakpakan dyan? At wala rin po bang masigabong hiyawan dyan? From the clan of the Paramount, the fierce, and the beautiful, my name is Fia Nicole Foster, a 24-year-old stunner all the way from the majestic city of Alaminos, Pangasinan. And I am proud to say that I am one of your Itbulaga Super Serena Queen of the Ocean and your Queen of Pangasinan 2015. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang nag-iisang hatmama sa bakuran ng ABS-CBN at ang tinaguriang Epafona sa panghapunang teleserye sa bakuran ng ABS-CBN. Sabay-sabay po nating hiyawan at palakpakan, Miss Christine Reyes. Christine Reyes na nag-iwan ng isang kanta. Napakaraming doktor dito sa atin, ngunit bakit nila wala nang natira? Nag-a-abroad sila. Napakaraming guwapo dito sa inyo, ngunit bakit nila wala nang natira? Bakla na din sila. Once again, I am your candidate number 7, last but not the least, saying, Vini Vini Vinci, I came, I saw, and I conquered this fabulous stage of Maypaho, Caloocan City. Naghang salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7.